Shirin was an old, kind woman, loved by all the villagers. She lived alone in her little house, surrounded by her garden's trees, flowers, and several cows and sheep. They were her reason to wake up early each morning, to feed them, talk to them, and feel the joy of life's simple beauties. Every day, she took her cows and sheep to graze on the green hills, always accompanied by her loyal dog. If Shirin ever came across an injured or hungry animal on her way, she never ignored it. She always stopped to help. One day, on her way back, Shirin noticed a stray dog with a broken leg. The poor animal looked at her with innocent eyes and gave a weak bark, as if begging for help. Without hesitation, Shirin took it home, treated its leg, fed it, and cared for it until it fully recovered. The villagers admired Shirin's kindness. They knew she loved to help others. Sometimes, a poor old man of about 60 would sit near her house, waiting for food. Shirin always shared her meals with him, happy to help and do something good. Time passed, and one day, Shirin's loyal dog gave birth to 3 puppies and could not go out with her to the fields. Shirin, alone with her cattle, suddenly saw a white wolf on the path. Terrified, she prayed to God for help. Just then, she heard barking. It was the same stray dog she had once saved. It rushed to protect her and her animals, chasing the wolf away. Tears filled Shirin's eyes as she thanked God for sending help at the right time. That evening, Shirin was late returning home. The poor old man, waiting outside Shirin's house, suddenly saw smoke rising from her yard. He shouted for help, and soon the neighbors rushed over. A lantern had fallen onto a wooden table and started a fire. The neighbors climbed over the walls, quickly poured water, and managed to put it out before serious damage was done. When Shirin finally arrived home and heard what had happened, she was deeply moved. Twice in one day, her kindness had come back to save her, once through the stray dog, and once through the poor man she had always fed. From that day, the villagers remembered Shirin, not only for her gentle heart, but also for the lesson her life taught them. Kindness always finds its way back to you. Let's learn new vocabularies together. Innocent, not guilty, pure and harmless. Stray, dog animal, a homeless or lost animal. Hesitation, a pause before doing something because of uncertainty. Terrified, extremely scared. Recover, to return to normal health or strength. Grateful, thankful for kindness or help. Extinguish, to put out a fire. Idiom, what goes around comes around. Karma, your actions will return to you. Kindness finds its way back to you. Subscribe and turn on your notification. And like and share for more English stories and lessons.